Hello one and all, and welcome to Realms video number 2 for the plugin for Minederp.com. In this video I'm going to be showing you the democracy commands as well as rank commands. These are used mostly by the leader, so most players won't have to worry about it. If you know you won't be a leader of a guild, you just want to simply join a guild and play, you don't worry about watching this video. It's not going to really be overly useful for you. But if you want to be leader, assistant, or any of those sort of positions in a guild, this will cover some of the things that will be useful for you. To start off, /guild diplomacy. I'm just thinking of my spelling, making sure it's right. Alright, so you can do /guild diplomacy like that, writing out the whole thing, or you can just do diplo. It sounds funny, but easier to remember. So, whoops. So /guild diplo. So this will show up with this diplomacy bit here, but because I don't have a diplomacy with any towns, other guilds yet, I don't have anything there. So I'll do, just to show you, I'll do /guild list. Now I'll pick one of these guilds. I'll choose Nyx /guild, and I want to be an ally with Nyx. So I would do /guild ally, and I'll type in the town name, so Nyx. Now as you can see, it sent a request to Nyx, and there was a creeper there. Right, I sent a request to the town, the guild Nyx, and it's up to them now to accept it, and then we become allies. If they don't accept it, we won't be, and we'll stay neutral. You can also do /guild enemy. So /guild enemy, and let's choose another one. Let's say ISDF. Now they will be our enemy. You can also do if you're an ally of someone, you could do /guild neutral, and the name of that guild. So for me it would be Nyx in this case, because I've sent them an ally request. So I would do Nyx, and it'll then remove my ally status with them and return them back to neutral like we are now. I don't want that at this time because I can't show you it in the diplomacy list once it shows up. So just so you know it's there, that's what it's for. Now, another command dealing with diplomacy is parlay. So it's parlay. This is used to go back to neutral with your enemies. So I'll do it with ASDF. The difference between neutral and parlay is neutral just makes you neutral with your ally. You don't have to get them to request to be neutral. With parlay, you have to request that your enemy accepts your pretty much plea to be neutral again. So I do /send a parlay to them. Alright, so I'll do /guild diplo again, and now you'll see my list. See, it shows my current enemy, it shows guilds I've sent an ally to be an ally, it showed where your enemies is as well, an ally one for people who have accepted your request, and it also will show you the parlays that you've sent. So you can see I've got my enemy, and then I've sent a parlay to my enemy. This is all used for PvP. on Minederp. So you can either be a neutral town to everyone, you could be allies to everyone, you could be enemies of everyone. It's all up to the guild leader as to what sort of town they want to, guild they want to run. Now, that's the diplomacy commands. Pretty much, you only need to worry about those if you're the leader. You can do /guild diplo, though, if you are just a member of the guild, I believe. So you'll know who your enemies are and everything. Now, on to ranks. This can be a little bit tricky at times if you decide to muck around with the different types of ranks, because you can create your own ranks or you could just use the default ones. I suggest for the time being that people just learn to use the default ones. They're so much easier because they're already there. You would only make one of your own if you wanted to change the names of what people are and all that. Instead of saying a citizen, you say they're a labourer, sort of thing. The simplest command you'll need to learn for this is /guild promote player rank. That is going to be one of the major commands you'll need for doing ranks. You'll also need /guild demote player rank. So you can promote someone from being a citizen to an assistant by doing promote. You can demote them from being an assistant to just a regular citizen, assistant to citizen, doing the demote. Yep. So that shows you about those. Now /guild rank. This will show you all the different ranks. So I've shown you how to actually promote people, demote them, and these are the ranks that you can do them with. So you would type in /promote player assistant, or make them foeman, or builder, or ally, or whatever you wanted to do. Then you can also, to get more information, you do /guild rank info. I'll go 4-man, and there we go. Shows you they can do access, build, chest, switch, invite, manage. So each one of these letters has a different meaning. And there's also a full description on the minederp.com wiki page, realms, specifically telling you what each one of those letters means. So access, build, chest, switch, invite, kick, manage, lead, PvP, siege, and TNT, which is just T, I think the symbol was. You can also, if you want to muck around with doing this sort of stuff, you can do /guild rank new, and you make a new one. I'm going to make one saying wizard, just because I'm funny like that. And there we go. If you do /guild rank now, you'll be able to see that there's one called wizard. Now, because of you've done that, you can see that there's no letters next to it. You have to manually add each of the letters to it. So you have to do /guild rank add whoops, and you're writing the rank, so which in my case is wizard, and then you want to add in the perm. So this is just the letter, so I'll do A for example. Right, and I'll just go /guild rank, and you can see wizard now has A. I'm not going to bother about adding anymore because of I don't need to for this, it just takes too long. Right, so you can also do /guild remove. /guild rank remove, and then I'll go wizard, and then I'll go A, and now I'll remove it. So Go there, and the wizard doesn't have that A again. So it's a good way of making custom different ranks for people with different names and everything. You don't have to use these default ones, but they're definitely a lot easier than making up your own ones and save you a lot of time. Now, if you really don't like a rank that you've made, you can do /guild rank delete and wizard. Now rank has been deleted, so I'll do /guild rank again, and wizard's not there. So that's the basics of using diplomacy as well as ranks. But like I said, this last little fiddly bit you don't have to do. The mostly all you need is /guild promote player rank and /guild demote player rank. Alright, I hope this video has been useful. If you find this video or any of the other ones do not have the information you're looking for, please feel free to comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible and possibly even make another video. Thank you.